What up, everybody? We all know what's happening between our country and Pakistan, right? The government is trying to work on it. Some celebrities have given their views on it. So today I'm going to go to people and talk to them about their opinions about all this. So let's go. What is the first thing that comes to your head when you listen to the word Pakistan?
Terrorism.
Pakistani girls. Well, the other part of my country which is just separated.
Terrorism.
Terrorism.
Neighboring country.
I actually feel like killing them because like it has become too much. Like it's boiling, and now I feel like I don't care about them. Like I should think पहले कि चलो neighbors है भाई है पर भाड़ में गया भाई उड़ा दो.
Enmity?
Terrorist.
Whoa.
Terrorist.
Mohammedan country.
Terrorist.
Rival country.
Rival country.
Terrorist.
Terrorist, rival country.
Neighbor.
Wow, okay. Are you guys aware of the Uri attacks which happened? Like, you know what is happening?
I was watching the news for like quite a while last night and the night before that.
Yeah, I know. Like 17 soldiers were killed here.
Okay, so what do you think? Like, what is your take on that? Like, why do you think it's good? Do you think it's fair? Do you think what's
Obviously, it's not fair.
People in our country are trying their level best. Whichever governments have come, we're trying their level best to talk it out. Things are not working that way. So, in spite of talking it out, there are different departments, as I said, the 3 departments. And in Pakistan, there is a lot of turmoil within themselves.
Like we have the photograph of one of the terrorists. It's been leaked. So like everybody can help.
The current one. Yeah.
Current one. So like everybody can help to find him.
the way we are reacting to it, at least in the recent few days, how Modi has come into he's taken this stand that they won't be supporting any trade or any kind of agreements with Pakistan, and they're going to take a strong stand against what has happened with the death of 18 soldiers of the Indian Army. I think that's a good step, but we need to do more. Pakistan has tried to exploit the fact that we don't respond, so they keep on doing attacks every now and then. So you're saying that they are taking us for granted, right? Yeah, absolutely. If you guys are individuals knowing about all these attacks which are happening, what can be done to solve all this?
If the problem between Pakistan and India won't be resolved, then ऐसे terrorist attacks तो होंगे.
तो solve कैसे करें?
Solve कैसे करें? We have to make a bond with them.
Kashmir has been like always having a different government and the central government does not really pay attention to Kashmir. So I think they should also consider Kashmir as a part of India. Obviously they do, but then the regulations and everything is completely different over there. So so they should look into Kashmir and see what's happening over there and provide security to the people and the state.
Or maybe isolate Pakistan by like not having any kind of like the Fawad Khan thing is going on, which I think is not good. But I think isolating Pakistan that way is better than war. It is better than spending millions on war.
First thing is to have a direct talk on Kashmir issue. That is what they feel that it is theirs, but it is not. So let us have, this is not what you are going to get. Now what do you want to do? Try to talk it out as much as possible.
This Make in India project which has come into play, kind of giving people a chance to start their own business, do their own work, produce in India and not depend on China and the cheap things they provide to us. That's one way where we are reducing the dependency on other countries. Are you aware of the fact that there are a lot of celebrities from India who are asked to leave because they are from Pakistan?
Yes, I am aware. Like many, can I name them? There Fawad Khan and Mavrock, and there are many, and they are talented, so they are not responsible for this all. And I think this is very wrong they have done.
Come on, after all, they're all human beings. So entry shouldn't be banned. He's come here for doing something. Come here to be a part of Bollywood, which is a big industry. So he's probably doing good for himself and he's not harming our country. So why not let him in?
They're not doing any bad here, so I don't think they should, ask them to leave.
See, asking Pakistani actors to leave India does not really make any sense because not every Pakistani is a terrorist, not every Pakistani is contributing to terrorism in this country. And we have seen a lot of good actors, Fawad Khan, all these actors who are contributing very well to Bollywood. So asking them to leave India or go back to Pakistan doesn't really make too much of sense. Okay, so for the last question, what is one message that you would like to give to Pakistan?
Pakistan stop making terrorists appear in India.
I would say Pakistan needs to understand they need to stay in their limits, because if they exploit and play around too much with the sentiments of Indian people, if they come back and retaliate, it will be too difficult for them to take it.
Exactly, man. So we are good people. We are looking out for peace. So be good to us. We be good to you.
We're not enemies. Let's just get over. Let's just get over all this and become friends.
Well, don't hate, guys. I would have been your neighbor if like my grandparents wouldn't have come all the way here. So yeah, we're supposed to be brothers, guys.
Pakistan, I just want to say to them that I guess that they should forget whatever the rivalry was there, and they should like compromise with India for the peace.
I love Pakistan and I want like we should be friends with Pakistan. So we are good friends and we should do a lot of things to be friends. So I want peace.
Live and let live.
Live and let live. Thank you so much, guys, for watching another video. So these were different opinions from different people. I hope that everything ends soon and we all get united and everything is nice and peaceful. So like the video, share your opinions on the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel Super Desi People. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. And don't forget to keep smiling all day, every day, everywhere.